Scott Holbrook, Secure Tool. Just want to do a quick video to show you guys that you don't need to spend any extra money actually to get semi-outdoor results for your Helium routers. And so what we've got going here is just a standard stock Heltech router that you can get from the website. And we're just using the standard stock antenna. And the stock antenna is actually 3.5 dBi, which is preferred in this situation because, as you can see, we've got some buildings. We're in an apartment complex. There's some trees in the distance. If we were able to get on top of the roof, then we might go with a stronger dBi. But because we are not able to do that, what we want to do is we want to have a broader sphere of coverage as opposed to a narrower, farther sphere of coverage. And so we're not going to go as far, but we're going to get more broad. So we're going to be able to collect any signals that come our way. All we did, we posted it upside down. It doesn't matter, upside down, right side up, as long as it's perpendicular to the ground. You're going to be sure you're on that right polarization. You then tuck the cord into the siding right here, so that's not going to get wet, no water drips down it. The box itself is above the aperture, once again protected from the elements, so there's no chance of it getting rain, moisture, anything like that. You follow the cord down the wall, there's the power box. Behind the table we have an extension cord and into the outlet. And so other than the extension cord, this is a completely stock setup. The Velcro, 15-pound Velcro, outdoor use, maybe $5 at Lowe's. And then you just use the stock antenna because you're in an area where you've got some obstructions.